guys. Oh, we got little wet monkeys. And another little wet monkey. And we got fingers staying out of the rain. And what are you guys doing with all the dishes? We had 6, now we're down to 3. You sweet little guys. You are. You want to come get your treat? Oh, I'm going to have to pass it out because I'm bawling. Oh, we got Mr. Fox. Have to get Mr. Fox a treat here. And that must be your mom. Because she's got your eyes, your face mask. The fox is thinking, what in the heck is that? Hi, guys. Oh, you are so cute. Oh, there's 5 of yous. Are you guys all one family? Less conversation, more peanuts, right? No, those are toes. Don't be biting toes. And yeah, you're one of the boys. Because you're sitting down there with a dump tray, chomping away. Wonder what's going on upstairs while you're having your dinner. Oh, grumble, grumble, grumble. I'll give you all some treats. And then I'm going to have to go get the dishes. And figure out what's going on there. Hi. Oh, you're being awfully brave. This is a whole new family, huh?
I don't think it is.
All right. Oh, yes, you're just storming in. Right? Ow! Hey, sweetie. You must be the gentle one. You're a little bit snappy. What else we got? You. I'm gonna have to go get some dishes.
And fingers. Don't forget fingers.
Oh!
No.
Did you get that one?
No, they didn't.
I'm trying to get set up here to venture out. I don't give away too many peanuts because you guys have to hang on a sec. Yeah, stop. They look like they're twins. Let me get my grabber here. Also known as my raccoon bum pincher. Right? Any bums needing pinching? What's we got? And down there. Oh, you don't have to take off. Down there. I didn't bring my flashlight with me. I've only got 3 hands. That's part of the problem. Can you pinch your nose? Can you pinch your nose? Oh, I got your nose. Oh.
Yeah, it's flipped over.
Yeah, and there's 2 raccoons there too. Can you shine that down there?
I will. You can't grab it because it's...
Hi, little ones. 2 little bad monkeys.
Thank you. Take your peanuts. Excuse me, guys.
I've never figured out how to do that. I mean, that's me doing it. Yeah, I just did that.
1, 2, 3, 4. You're missing 2 trays. Is there any trays down there?
It's funny when the grass is wet, you can really see the.
Is there any trays down here?
You can see the tracks, or the path.
Any trays? Hi. How are you? Oh, let me get your nose.
There must have been 2 down there. Or 3.
Well, yeah, because there was 6. What did you guys do?
Well, can I see the light for a sec? Sometimes they make their way under the stairs. Sometimes they end up out in the yard. Hi. How are you, cutie? Looking into the light, you'll be seeing spots there. Well, there's one here, but it's got grass growing up through it, so I don't think it's been there. I think it's been there for a little while. Oh, I can get up the stairs without falling on my head, to be all set. Still got, okay. Are you bringing your big belly up? You leave that there, don't you dump that down the hole. Hi, little boo. You get such an innocent little face.
Yeah, he does look like Boo Boo. And he's running off again.
We don't need that much more.
Yeah, well, I'm not going to make it. Not going to waste.
Hi, guys. Oh, I'm sorry. Who's that cute little face peeking up there? The fox was here a minute ago and took a sandwich.
I'm sure they're spread out, please.
Yeah, just give me the broom. The old broom? Yeah. He's just some bum needing spanking along the way. I've got to keep them away from the hole now. We've got monkeys that like dumping them down the hole. And you're going to dump it right over the edge, aren't you? Oh. Oh. There. You can sit in your pool while you're dying. How about that?
No, we just got to make sure everybody has a chance to eat, though. Hi.
Okay, there's 6 of them here right now.
Yeah.
Unless that's fingers that just popped up, but I don't think so.
No. No. You need to get it out of the tray. And I only have those ones.
Is that Indira? She's healing quickly.
Where is she?
Oh!
We need more trays.
Aw, sweet little faces on you.
You're not listening.
I think that's Indira. So.
You need more trays.
Gorillas in the mist here. Right, guys? Wait, get the full mist effect here. Where is it there? Had it a second ago. That kind of. Yeah. Anyway, it's misting. Hi, sweetums. Oh. You be careful. She might turn around and bite you. She tends to be cranky. Ah. She bit me a couple days ago.
See, he's not
That's
getting any food.
Not respecting her personal space adequately. Look at this.
You stop your cranking.
This little guy looks like he's wearing pajamas.
Yeah, he's got to be an offspring of Boo-Boo. He has to be an offspring of Boo-Boo.
Well, we got 6 here. I think there's 5 in the family. I could be wrong, but I think it's a mother and 4 kids, or possibly an uncle. Hang on, sweetie. There you go, good little girl. Yeah. All right, guys, I'm gonna leave you alone and get some actual food in you.
Oh, you little bugger!
Oh yeah. That's one of the disadvantages of being in the fingers position, is you can't defend yourself. Oh. Anyway, one more for Indira, and then we're gonna close the door here. Right, my love. All right, remember to behave and be safe.